Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Python Flask. Today we are going to learn how to export the data into the CSV using PostgreSQL. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. In the last video we have done the how to export the CSV in MySQL, now PostgreSQL. Okay, so let's see how we are going to do that. So here we have the export CSV file. So let me just copy this one. Okay, so this is that one. Okay, so let me add this. Okay, so just do the configurations. So here we have the user, I think Postgres, and admin. I need to add my password. Okay, then here we have the REST API part. Okay, so let's and the database is closed or what? Let's go to run this. Okay, and here we have to go with this one. So if I want to add the user, so here you can see that in my users table, if I go and check this one, here we have the test 6 up to records over here. Let's create one record over here, and let me take it like AA, and the email would be like this. Let's try to save this. Add user added. Let's check the record and just run this one. Here you can see that this record is added, right? Let's go to the view users. If I just go and check this one, view all users, so here we have the all the records. Let's try to export the CSV exported. Let's open it, and here we go with the data is exported into the CSV format, right? So let's dive into the code level how we have implemented this. Okay, so let me just scroll down this, and let me go with this one. Okay, so here we have this. First of all, we have to import the Flask. From the Flask render template request justify and the response, and the import CSV, this is by default, and you have to install this one. If you don't know how to install, in the last video we have already talked about how to this package to install. Okay, otherwise I will show you which package I have installed. Let me this is connector part. Okay, and this is for the Flask, and this is the library for the Postgres. Okay, so make sure you have to install this one, right? After this, what we have to go with, let me just close this. Okay, so this is that one. Initialize the app. Here we have a PostgreSQL configuration with the PG host, user name, password and the database. Make sure this credential should be correct. Then connect to the PostgreSQL database with the help of the connect function. Okay, so connect this one, then connection dot cursor. Then we have a create users table. If don't exist, I am not, because I already have the that one table, so I don't require it. Then we have an insert function where we are just inserting the user into the database. Okay, when we have a add functionality, when I click on the add user, so this function will call, okay, on that route. Function to fetch all the users, because I want to show the listing or for the users, so I need to select star from the users. Cursor dot fetch all will help you to fetch all the records. Okay, and the next one, that is export the data to the CSV. This is the method that where we can open the users.csv file and write the data line by line. Write the header row, that is ID, name and the email, then write the data rows, right? On the index page we are entering the index.html. Okay, so in the index.html we have a form for the add user where we have a name, email and the submit button. When I click on the add button, okay, so it will go to inserting the data into the database. So here you can see that we have a add, and this is a post request where it accepts the name, email, and then we will call the function that is insert user, and this will insert the data into the table and give me the message that user added successfully. Okay, then we have a slash users part. Okay, so where we are first fetching all the users, then sending the data to the users template. So if I go here, you can see that we have a users template where we have all the records of the database fetched already, right? And in the users table, here we are doing the looping part, right? So for loop that part of the users, and just record showing the data with the 0, 1 and the 2, that is ID, name and the email, and end for the loop. Okay, and the last we have export to the CSV, which we have already talked about, like here export to the CSV. So here you can see the last one. So get all users first, then we will call the export to the CSV, then writing all the data, then return that CSV file to the downloadable form. After the last, we are just running the app in the debug mode. Okay, on. This is how we are able to export the CSV data into from the my this is Postgres, right? From this one. Any doubt, any query in that, to let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.